Hello folks, let's learn how to add up and subtract things in Excel. So for that I have selected some values in cells of column A, column B and column C. So there are two way you can add up the things. First one is just simply enter, select the cell from column number A which is A2 which I want to add up, then enter the plus sign, then select the cell B2, then enter the plus sign, then select the cell C2 and simply enter. So in that way you can get the addition of cell A2, B2 and C2. Similar way you can do for row number 3. If you want to do, or if you want to make less work, just drag the formula downwards from cell D2, which I am doing in this way. Just select the cell D2 and drag it downwards, and you can get, or Excel can apply the same rule which I have applied for cell number D2 for other cells which are in D columns. Okay. Second procedure, you can add up the things from column A, column number B and column C. So this is via a formula. Just enter equal to SUM. Here I am entering SUM sum because I am adding up the things. Then open bracket. Then select the cell A2, B2. Then close the bracket and simply enter. So in this way you can add up the things. So this formula is mainly using for a huge number of data when we are dealing with. Okay. So if we are doing the same thing in bottom cells of column E, then just drag the value, or just drag the cell downward. So in this way you can get the added number in column E. For subtraction, if you want to subtract the values of column B from column A, so let's have a look how we can do it. I'm entering equal to, then selecting the cell minus sign, then selecting the cell B2, and here I'm getting value. If you want to do the same thing in bottom cells, just drag the value which I have did it, and I have gotten the results. This is the simple way you can do the subtraction.